The composition of Penderys is naturally extensive in terms of its age range. I mean, we have, like most choirs in Wales, we have some choristers approaching 80. I'm not quite sure from what direction, but we have, if you like, compensating at the other end, a number of younger choristers. We have some 10 members, which is very gratifying, under the age of 30. And one of the things we attach importance to in Penderys is to nurture and to bring on local talent. And the Rhondda abounds with fine local talent. With that in mind, this next item is a showcase for the abundant local and vocal talent in the Rhondda. It is a selection of numbers from Les Miserables. Do you hear the people sing, Bring Him Home, and One Day More? As it happens, Do You Hear the People Sing would make a good title for a book, wouldn't it? Say, on Welsh Male Voice Choirs. And as it happens, there is such a book. And I've got a copy right here, look. And can't remember who the author is, but got hold of that title clearly from Les Miserables. So let's hear Penderys sing. Do you hear the people sing?
One day more, another day, another destiny, this never-ending road to Calvary. These men who seem to know my crime will surely come a second time. One day more.
I did not live until today. How can I live when we are parted?
One day more.
Tomorrow you'll be once away. And yet with you I was parted. Will we ever meet again? I was born to be with you. I swear I will be
One more day before the storm.
I follow where she goes.
At the barricades of freedom. When our ranks begin to fall. Will you take your place with me? One day more.
One more day to revolution. We will nip it in the bud. We'll be ready for these schoolboys. They will wet themselves with blood. Watch them run amok, catch them as they fall. Never know your luck when there's a free for all. Give it a little tip, never a little touch. Most of them are gone, so they won't miss much. One day to a new beginning.